This video is going to explain how to create a nut. Start from part. Okay. Again, we need to draw a sketch first and use this polygon command. Click there. Then click on the front plane. Click on the center and drag away. Right. Click. In order to see it better, we can choose the front view. Right. We now can use this smart dimension to click on that. Click on there, then we can enter the correct diameter, which is 18. See here. Right. Then we select this line. Right click. See whether that is. Press the escape key and select this line. Select this line, click on this. Right. So got that shape right. Now we can extrude. Click on features, click on extend, then see whether these are correct. Mid plane, the thickness here is 8. Okay, and click confirm. Okay, next is to cut hole there. This time, instead of a smooth hole, we're going to use the hole with the features. So we use a hole wizard. Click this one. Click on sketch. We draw a sketch. No, click on. Still click on this one and click on this one. GB and check whether it is M12. Size must be M12. So choose take the hole. Choose M12. Okay, and make sure these through all are selected. Right. And uncheck this box. Uncheck this box. We can make the chamfer later. If you want to make chamfer now, you can check this box. And check this box. So that makes chamfer on 2 sides. Right. Now we move to the area we want to make the hole. In order to make the hole, we need to move to here. Click on area. Rather than click on area before you move to here, you have to click on this tab. Okay. Highlight, click. Then you click on this center point, click. And click on OK, you'll see nuts with the chamfers on each end. Next is to add chamfers on the edge of here. This time we do sketch again, and this time we select that surface, use that command, start from middle to the tangent to the edge, click, then go to features. This time we use the extend cut. Right. From there, that is fine, and click on flip. The degree of that one is 45 or 30, depends on what angle you get from the drawing, or 60, which is the right one. Okay, then click on confirm. Now you have the nuts. Although you cannot see the thread here, but it does have a thread with it, because when you actually click the thread, you choose the M12 hole. Right. If you think the chamfer size is not right, you can click here and then change the chamfer size. And you can change the angle and change the other things. Right. So that's it for this video.